Trap. You know, it's your boy Molly OD. Back in our trap segment once more. You don't know they are on the Wednesday I go and braff them. Dead boy and dead girl when we pull up. You see me? Yeah. Here I go on now. This batty boy, this dick sucker name fuck boy named Jamaican people. Let me tell you this. I mean right off your career, man. Pussy. You come talk. And I wish look at you that come a different cartel and make a boy, I'm telling you this, man. Yo Jamaican people, I'm telling you this. Pussy. When I diss up your people, man, don't say you kill two of them. Yeah, man, I'm Molly OD if you not forgot the name. Pussy and me. Flag down your career, pussy. So if I when me kill you off, I'll know it take you how much day if you post. And every day me post. Boy, I'm telling you this, man. Know yourself, punk. I know you run up on the Gaza. We don't even not him good, you see me? Him done getting fame already. Him getting 5 minutes. But I'm tell you this. Can't write me off no day, you hear that? And the next thing again. This look a man royal girl when you're pretty done. See you trim her film head. You see the girl that want real goon, baboon that. It be when him dog rice dead and him a take dead news. Lightly and laugh and giggle off in face like some go gaga. Yo, when I take dead news lightly, man. You see me? You come for your life and laugh and you hear say the bee pass out for you show some emotion, you laugh like you well want to be for them. In pussy. Batty girl. You and Jamaican people go live, man. You see me? Yeah. Can I talk about him ever dey on knees and she say man he look a renter jet when you have in your house. He look a batty renter jet boy. Two of them are back fist. Pussy. You can run up on me no day. Eh? Boy Jamaican people, know yourself, pussy. You hear that? Know your bum buckle yourself. So when I tell a local followers them whether this you come tell us once you call the Gaza name and violate the Gaza, you go get beer this. I never know that the boy where they send this threat to you. You see me? I never know him, but I never want to know him because guess what? If you kill him, you kill him. When I tell him say two of them now, you say I diss you. You see me diss you straight. I be a subliminal diss you going like I can diss man. I mean I diss you straight. You boy Jamaican P. You see me? Yeah, you tell you what a crime in favor. Pussy, ugly in a blood clot. Suck your mother. You know about. Braff, you go out and braff, man. You see me? So just go and run up your chatty mouth, parrot mouth, parakitty, Edmonton. I want you. You feel like you. And you look a renter jet. You feel you and your renter jet wicked. Your renter jet bleach out of your cuss cartel, but cartel bleach out. And she say I want bleach money off on your finger, a finger batty boy. The renter jet boy there. When man hold him man, I go kick him up at that metal and you go get kicking in your face too. Cause none of them bad. Be a mouth and half. Molly OD I make you know that. Yeah. Viewers and subscribers long time in the day, but the boy I get too hype, man, you see me? Yeah. So remember to share the video, like the video, comment, and make me know. Say, and if you're new, hit the notification bell so you get the newest video when I upload them. But the boy there, see a video when I drop this morning I talk about man look a fool at this him and he take up upon his head and they come talk about I two of them now, you know. After me kill one and now this I wanna jump in. Punk. I can't kill who dead already, man. You see me? Evil with name, man. Dead boy and dead girl when you pull up. In your city. That more make you know. Send a SMS for you, man. How do you? He's a bitch ass nigga, you. Punk ass nigga. Wanna be. Boy, your name Jamaican P. Pussy. See, you run left yard from you how much? Punk. Can't come back a yard, pussy. Can't put a foot. You will get shook, man. That if you know. Bear that in mind, man. Yeah, that one I direct this to you again. Yeah. Direct this to you, Jamaican P. I'm afraid to call the name, punk. Cause we no fear around here. You see me? Just know who you say you kill, man. If you kill Pretty Dan and kill Dr. Love and the rest of punk them, kill them, man. But you can't get out that one, man. Nah, bury like worm, man. Nah, bury like worm, make skeleton burn. Punk ass nigga. Wanna be. Chop house, you see me? Yeah. And you look at you, that girl Pretty Dan. You ugly in a blood clot, boy, you go trim off your head. Hmm? You go trim off your head. I say you well want ton man. Go and go get a dick grow, man. If you want ton man. Get a dick grow and be a man. That way I'm gonna know an idea. Fool boy, you come and talk boy, you kill who? Right off your man. I be hear that lyrics you spit pan so nice rhythm. I tell you already say you never fit for matches box too there, you know. Be a nice you make punk ass nigga. One freestyle me again, I know me not see you come back or try answer that, you know. But you can talk about. I ignore you, I try ignore a fool. I want to you, punk. Tell you this man. Know yourself. And you look a rent a dread where you have a parade. Know yourself. Two of them you kill. Yeah. Jamaican Jack and Jamaican P. Jack and blood clot Jill. Wine you the wine pan Jamaican Jack. You Jamaican P. P stand for pussy and you my name Jamaican Jack. And your man that pussy. Suck yourself. Batty boy. Suck your mother too. Punk ass nigga. Bitch ass hoe. You nothing but a hoe nigga, yo. Suck yourself, pussy. Boy, I get man grieve, you know. Boy, you kill a pussy hole. Can't kill nobody around here. Right off you, punk. You see you can't answer me tune. See you can't answer me back. Eh? You can't answer me. I run out of town, man. Yeah. Come on, spread false news, boy. You kill who? Po. That me I tell a boy Jamaican P. Know yourself. Feel nice. Think nice. Know what you talk, man. I'm telling you already, you know. Stop call up my teacher name. What you know about? What you know about the Gaza? Eh? What you know about the Gaza? Eh? Eh? If Ade for rat in a jail, Ninja Man for rat in a jail too. Pussy your grandfather for rat in a jail. Yeah, I'm gonna carry blood plate gun on stage go get Adams. I say in this and that. I find in time that the batty boy for go to prison. Yeah. Batty boy cokehead Ninja Man. You and him a cokehead. To one a bun coke off a one coke pipe. Pussy. Be a cokehead the America bun batty boy. That me I tell you. Cut it there so make them go dead. I would them.